1950s America, when health was simple and life moved slower. Medical science was limited, and many diseases had no cure.
Mom, you have to try this. It is so good.
Elena, did you hear what happened at school today?
Tell us everything, but eat first.
Then science advanced. Vaccines and treatments began saving millions. Healthcare systems expanded, bringing better care to more people. But lifestyles changed. Convenience replaced nutrition. Movement slowed, and inactivity quietly increased.
Then came the fitness wave. People started fighting back.
Health became a trend, but often misunderstood. Technology transformed medicine, making diagnosis faster and more accurate. For the first time, mental health became part of the conversation. Then the world faced a health crisis that changed everything.
Look at that view. It's absolutely stunning up here.
Care became personal, tailored to each individual.
Artificial intelligence is redefining medicine, predicting illness before it begins.